Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You guys can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. What is up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are feeling good and ready for today. We have some pretty strange price action going on right now. Market has been kind of in a chop range up here, looking like it may want to roll over, but you just never know with this market. I mean, the market sometimes looks like it wants to come down and finally make some lows and then ends up just ripping right back up to new all-time highs. Right now, what I do think is we might be forming some kind of a, I don't know, maybe we're going to form a wedge. We do have these higher lows that we've had forming here for the last few days. As you can see, it's just a higher low, higher low, higher low. Are we going to end up creating another lower high and then maybe form a wedge? That's what I'm thinking, could be something like this before we actually get the real move. Or are we going to just end up finding support here and just go ahead and creating higher highs, higher highs? Now the two outcomes here would be, if we do create a wedge, we might break down here, use this as resistance, and then continue lower. Or we form this wedge here, find support on top of this, and then go higher. Or a combination of both, where you can break out, fake out, and then come down. So there's anything. That's why I don't really like playing wedges. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention, guys. Just play what you see in front of you. Look at the price action, look at the order flow, and just do what you think is best. On the 30-minute, we did get a trapped long indication up here, and then a power short, which is a real deadly combination. As you can see, market is heading down a little bit right now on the 30-minute. We also had a trapped long indication up here, where some people would say maybe this is forming some kind of a head and shoulders. You know, maybe that's what's happening here. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. I'm not sure. But these signals on the 30-minute are very accurate. As you can see there, another trapped long indication there, and it gave us a pretty steep move to the downside. So the momentum right now is for the bears currently right now. If we look at this price action on the 5-minute, they did take control here this morning and had a little bit of a move down. But right now, it looks like they are recuperating some of that early morning losses. Didn't quite make it to the VWAP here on the NQ, but they're already having a pullback to the upside. The MV wave right now, or momentum and a volume wave, is starting to pinch off, and it doesn't look the most bullish, I will say. But I don't like how we're getting these sausage links of momentum, where we have good momentum to the upside, then big momentum to the downside, good momentum to the upside, and then possibly now we're going to get another round of red momentum waves here. Maybe we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised. Keep your options open for either opportunity. We just don't know. All right, let's go ahead and step away from this for a second here. Let's look at the ES. ES is telling a little bit of a different tale. We are kind of stuck in this absolute chop zone right now. We have targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and the market right now does not know which direction to pick. That's why I think that for today, I might just end up trading some scalp trades, because there are really no real direction right now. We didn't have a green wave. Now we're starting to taper off into a red wave. So the market could go in either direction, or maybe no direction. Maybe just go sideways for a while. If we look at our 4 hour, we're probably due for a little bit of chop, because we've had a lot of expansion, and now maybe we head into some chop here on a 4 hour. That's what's kind of looking like. You know, we thought we were going to continue moving higher here, because we did have a MOAS power along there on the 4 hour. But maybe we chop a little bit now, because we've had so much expansion these last couple of weeks. It's just been nuts. You know, look at this move. You know, this should calm down here for a little bit, have an inside day today. You know, all of that is possible. All of it is possible. Let's see. That's why I'm thinking today I might just try to get a one and done. If I can, then I'll call it, because I'm not really trusting this market the way it's shaping up, the way it's looking. Yeah, the worst thing is to be on the wrong side of the market. So, market opens up in about 5 minutes. Let me go ahead and say good morning to the crew. Let me move over to the 1 minute on both. Right now, our 1 minute ATR is 14. Not terrible. Also, by the way, I wanted to bring your attention to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now has been having a dump-o-rama. Has not stopped since, hasn't stopped really in the last couple, week or so. Selling off from the low 80s and has not stopped selling off, guys. It's just been one catastrophic sell-off after the other. So right now we don't see a bottom here yet. No bottom on Bitcoin, but when I do see a bottom on the 4-hour, I will definitely get into a long position. But right now, shorts are the only game in town. I don't really know the full details of Michael Saylor's sell on Bitcoin, but I do know that's what's fueling this move down. And not that Michael Saylor is the one doing this selling, but market makers look for any reason to kind of extend and expand markets further than people think. That way they can take out a lot of liquidity and shake out a lot of traders that are leveraged. Maybe Michael Saylor being one of them, who knows. We are looking right now at the stock heat map, and we see that Nvidia has been really ripping these markets. Nvidia's up 6% yesterday, and I'm not sure about today, but what it's going to do today, but it's 6%. Avgo was up almost 3% yesterday. MU 6%. MU's been an absolute rocket ship. Some of the others have been losing quite a bit here. We had Amazon, Meta, and Tesla down big, and we'll see what happens today. It'll be quite an interesting market today. Now, the Mag 7 are moving down. Mag 7 just hit here on extended hours, hit their target at 69.17, and Nvidia is still holding up pretty strong here at 227, near all-time highs. Oil is also trending to the upside, and I think oil today could actually have some more expansion to the upside, maybe break over the overnight highs above 92 and then start heading up to closer to 100. Previous day's high is at 94, so who knows, maybe we start ripping oil to the upside. Gold has been looking also very suspicious with this sideways price action. We are still in a very strong trend on to the upside on gold, but that could turn around quickly and we could start revisiting some of these lower prices, maybe testing that daily open. If not, then we head higher and break this overnight high and previous day's high here at 45.77. Right now the target is down to 45.37. This is not that far away. We'll see if that comes into play. And let's circle back here to the NQ. She opens up in about 2 minutes, and we'll see if there's anything that we can find here today. I may not take a trade here in the first 15 minutes because I don't know. We'll see if we find anything, but we will see. $23.60. 4, 3, 20 would be all right. We will see what this market brings us this morning. We'll be ready. Go ahead and check this. This is all good. Connections, all good. Everything's connected. All right, we're fine there. All right, market's opening up here in a minute or so. Let me say good morning to the crew. We've got Rafael Garcia in the house. J Ray was here nice and early. What's going on to Joni? Joey's in the house too. Vintage Trader, what's going on? Adi Griefy, good morning. Joshua Garcia. Oh, I'm sorry, Joshua Gosa. Sorry, Joshua Gosa. Sorry about that. Paul, good morning to you. Trade Conti. What's up? What's up, Trade Conti? We've got, who else? Safe is in the house. Good morning, Safe. Shout out to anybody over in Twitch, Kick. Good morning to the TikTok crew. How you guys doing? Sabra Raider, Gerza, good morning. Good morning. T Bueno. What's up, T Bueno? And Paul Verizon says, good morning, traders. Opened a bag of frozen peas and a few rolled onto the floor. I guess they were escapees. Oh, all right, we're and my wife just walked in too. We're good. We're ready. Right on time, baby. Right on time. Get your computer fired up. Yeah. Don't worry. We're probably not going to take any trades first thing in the morning here. Okay. Market look a little choppy. A little bit choppy. Oil's popping. Yeah, oil is doing its thing right now. Bitcoin's still dumping pretty hard. we're getting a little bit of up and down. Goes that move down to the VWAP possibly here on the NQ. Shorts are looking pretty strong and predominant here. What's up, baby? No. I don't know if your microphone's on though. You might want to just make sure it's off. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, market is still kind of chopping here, looking for the VWAP, I think, first, possibly, before doing anything else. She might head down to 320. There is some liquidity down at 320. That's at, I believe, that overnight low. Yeah, the overnight low is around 320. Maybe she goes there first. Are you set up, babe, and ready to trade?
I'm on 5 and 20.
5 and what?
20.
Okay, go to 4 and 20.
Okay.
Go short. See if we can get this push here. Push, 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 push. I close it, close it, close it, close it. thing's popping back up. But we would have hit it right there.
No?
We would have hit it right there. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Still got something.
You got something out of it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. Yeah, I didn't like that.
What went in your direction?
I lost 20 bucks on it.
You lost one?
Yeah. I didn't like how it was not breaking that VWAP easily. I'm glad you made some money. All right. Would have been done. All right, markets are here looking for this the top of the 440 level. I got a little nervous there at the VWAP. Market didn't do exactly what I wanted to see soon enough. ES is holding up. I can't hear you. Oh. Yeah, nice trade, Conti. Good morning, guys. Morning, Mo. Good morning, Con. Shibe TV. What's going on? Am I short again here, babe? Okay, I'll let you know. Three, two, one, go. Oh, come on. Out. Out.
Well,
Out. And I was going down.
oh, you're still in it. That's good. And how you still in it?
Yeah, try it again, babe. Sure.
Not you, not how you got here.
Oh, this chop is killing me.
Oh, dang it.
You're out?
No, no. Okay.
No, I'm out. Yeah. All right. Too much chop here. There's no continuation to the downside. It sucks. Sorry, babe.
Okay, how you still in it?
That's good.
I see, like, it was so close to it, by the way. Listen, I don't care if it does that as long as it doesn't say it's off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this thing's not moving.
Luna, stop. Go. You're gonna go there anyways.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and there it goes.
Oh, there you go.
We had her stop too tight. She made her money on it?
Not yet, not yet. She's about to. Come on.
Our stops are too tight. I should have went to 30.
Okay,
How many contracts does she have?
I don't know. She says it on 4.
Oh, okay. So she's probably done for the day then.
No, she only had 96.
Okay.
I know. I thought it was gonna be more.
That was our trade right there. I can't believe I what's it called? How did I get stopped out on that? I didn't, because I didn't tell you to move your stop to where we should have had it.
It's okay.
My fault, bad.
Don't let it happen again.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really want this locking.
Yeah, because I don't like losing.
When I say chongo chongo solos, it's when I'm being like sarcastic about something. Goodness. You just say you don't like losing,
Yeah.
but I beat you in air hockey all the time.
Yeah. Well, I mean in trading.
You got this, babe.
All right, move it to 30 because we need some more room here.
Okay. Move it to 30 penny. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like this area here with the VWAP. Seems like the price being pulled back into it. Yeah, stop was way too tight. All right, here comes a pretty strong push here, right back above the VWAP. ES is looking strong on this move. Minky looking all right also.
I have to leave a little bit here to get a pocket cam.
All right, chopping his VWAP here pretty nicely. Not doing much. Not doing much right now, but we haven't really put in a strong signal to move back up. We are seeing still more bearish signals here than bullish. All right, now we're starting to put in some stronger signals. Price wants to, looks like the price wants to rally back up here a bit. Possibly making a move on the bigger time frames, back up to the 5-minute target, which is all the way up here at 7:15, 7:14. Real strong move there, real strong. Yeah, she's looking kind of beastly. ATR right now is 28, pretty manageable. Long here doesn't look terrible. It does not look terrible. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, they're probably gonna try to test the daily open here again, and then we've got that overnight high there at 584.
That's cute.
Yeah, buyers are still looking pretty good here. Yeah, market just seems to be grinding higher right now, the NQ. ES might be having a little bit of a stall here. But she ultimately wants higher there, I can see that too. I get a continuation to the upside here on the NQ and the ES. ES is looking real strong. Market's got a target up here. The 5 minutes got a target of 30,709 right now. The 5 minute does. But right now we're gonna be struggling to get above this daily and then the overnight high if we does go a little bit higher. She just broke that daily. Showing some strength here for real. We just got a MOAS power long right now on the 15-second. That target is going to be all the way up at 665. So market's still looking super strong. Yeah, looks like it's just gonna rally now. Yeah, it's just tough. Yeah, just took out that just took out that high there from the open. Just pushing real hard. ES is having a pretty hard time here. We just kind of made an equal high there. Haven't really broke it yet on the NQ. All right. All right. A little choppy here. What's up, Ryan? Took 2 small scalps this morning across 10 accounts. Nothing big. Just down 350 bucks. Job openings at 10 a.m. Yeah, we got some news coming up. Constants we went much lower here. Nvidia's holding up this market probably. Let's see what ends up happening. But let's take a quick look at Nvidia. Oh my lord, Nvidia is just a ripper here. Nvidia just won't stop. Mag 7 also starting to move back up. So that's probably what's contributing to this madness. Yeah. Wasn't able to get into this trade, but it's going. We just took out the highs that we made during this session, and the overnight high is right there. You killed it in Asia last night? Nice, man. You notice I have a buy and sell indicator. That is a script I built for my Autobot for Bitcoin. It's not a strategy for you guys. It's just something I built out for my auto trader. I haven't taken it live yet, so I don't really feel like I should talk about it yet until it's proven in the wild. I've back tested it with Claude, and it looks promising. Looks really good. So we'll give it a couple months, and then I'll let you guys know if it works or not. Yeah, markets are kind of heavy here. Looks like they may want to start giving some back. This indication here does not look that good. It does not look too promising.
Moon out. Moon out.
Maybe another tap of the VWAP.
Not bad.
Could have another tap of the VWAP here and this trapped long indication. Yeah, looks like the ES has a target up at 76.08 that it may want to go to before making a bigger downturn. Let's see. Market looking pretty strong still. We might get this move up higher here. Let's see if it'll go. She's pushing. They broke the overnight high. Can she keep going to 660 next, maybe? Let's see, let's see. Oof. Oh, what the hell was that, man? What the hell was that? Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I got wrecked right there on that pullback. I got wrecked on that pullback. That was disgusting.
How come it passed our stuff, but we're still in it?
You guys are still in it?
Yeah.
Thank your lucky stars, because I got taken out. It went too fast for you guys. It probably didn't fill you guys. But you're still in it?
Yeah.
Good for you guys. Okay. I just got wrecked on that. All right, I'm calling it there. That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Holy smokes, they wrecked me on that pullback. All right, I'm just gonna trade my eval now. This is bad. That was disgusting. That's why I say tomorrow's never promised today. Man, they got me. They got me. Damn, I got even more slippage on this. That's crazy. It slipped me to hell on my trade day. You're sure you're still in it? That's crazy. Oh, the 10 a.m. news. Oh, damn it. Damn, I forgot about the 10 a.m. news. I forgot about that. Are you guys break even or higher? Babe? Are you guys at break even or higher? All right, how much are you down? If you can get out at break even, I forgot about this new. No, if you guys can get out break even, I would probably say. You know what? You know what? Yeah, get out of break even. I'm not liking this right now. All right. This is ugly. This is ugly. I forgot the 10 a.m. news. We had 10 a.m. news today. Damn it, I forgot about that. That's what I get. That's what I deserve. Stay in it. Stay in it, okay? Stay in it. You guys have a good chance here. I took long with you guys. I'm long with you guys right now. Move your TP to 640 there.
Move your TP to 640.
Where's your entry? What's the price on your entry?
589.
Move your stop to break even.
Okay, have a little stop to break even.
Come on, NQ, push, baby, push. Keep it going, NQ, keep it going. Keep it going, NQ. Whoosh. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there, NQ. Get up there. Get up there. And go, NQ, go. Go, NQ, go. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay? Close, 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 close. Yeah, close. All right. You guys made something on that one?
Yeah. Under 132.
Okay.
Patty's good though.
All right. This is looking a little heavy, like it may want to pull back, but the longs still look good, so we may have to find another long entry. Damn, I should have kept you guys in. They're muscling their way up. MSTR strategy. Share slide 8% to over 1 month low as Bitcoin drops. Yeah, I could imagine. Didn't go. NQ didn't go so low. MNQ did. I know the MNQ ripped me apart. Even though my looks like my directional bias was right, the MNQ had a nasty wick and the NQ did not. Disgusting wick on the MNQ, but the nasdaq stayed resilient. So my problem that I got to fix is that my leader account is a live account. So I got the actual fill, and my wife and her friend Patty are trading sim accounts, and the sims didn't get the fills. So lesson learned: never have your leader. Never use your live account as the leader. Never, never, never. These three damn liberals holding the market down, says Joey. What liberals are those? That was nasty. What's up, bud? What's your P&L, bud? Up? Down? Okay. You added more to your shorts, Con? Yeah, I should have kept you guys long here a bit. Sorry.
What?
I should have kept you guys in the trade.
It's fine.
Yeah, you guys would have been safe, even on the pullback. I hate how my ideas were all right today, and I got stopped out on the shorts, even it went to my target, and in the long, I got stopped out on the damn wick, and it still went in my direction. It's so annoying. It happens, huh?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah. That's fine.
Markets are pushing here on this little move. Little sideways range here, and then a strong move.
Yeah, yeah.
And see if they're gonna push up to the 660s here. I think they could. I think 660 is what they want.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sellers are coming in here strong. Yeah, the ES hit the overnight high there, but did not break it yet.
That's good. Exactly. No, that's really.
Yeah, the NQ not looking strong here. This is actually a really bearish signal the NQ is giving us. Real bearish here.
Oh, sorry.
The what, babe? Yeah. NQ looking real bad here. Who's that, Luna?
She's stretching her legs.
This ain't looking too good. Let's see what happens here on the 15-second. 15-second not looking good. I'm gonna close this. This is not looking good. Shorts are looking better. Shorts looking better now. I'll wait to get back into the longs, but this wasn't it. Looks like we could get a move down to 566. 566 and maybe a bounce from there.
Oh, sorry, just. I don't know if you can hear me. And I just said. Yeah.
ES is also trying to break out above that overnight high. We'll see if that goes. Wow. Our buyer's getting strong here now again. Yeah, both buyers on the ES and the NQ looking strong here. This might be a little bit of a trap to push it back down to 566 and then give us the real pop up. Thinking that could be a better entry into this. Still going, still going. Yeah, they might be pushing it down right here. Yeah, dig down to 566 is a possibility.
Okay.
Nice pushes here, nice pushes. See if we can get down to that 566 level.
Okay.
All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. Let's see how she reacts here at the 566s. Ooh, the 5 minute may not be looking too high here for long. We'll see how, we have to see how this next candle closes. But the 30 minute looks real strong. 30 minute looks bull, bull, bull. Oh no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. All right. Okay, okay. We got a triple trap long indication here on the way up, but I still think they want to go to that 600 level at least. I'm sorry, that 660 level. We missed it by about 15 points. 660 and then 700s. We have to see about that. And then there's even an 800 level up here. See when that happens. The shorts might be coming through right now because the 5 minute might be giving us a really heavy indication soon. Yeah, we're about to hit 566 here soon. New lows of the day coming, says Con. 700 is a thing of the past. Okay. All right, let's see how she reacts here at the daily open. If there's any reaction at all. Did we hit the VWAP earlier? Yeah, we did. We hit the VWAP earlier. All right, we're getting a MOAS power show right now in the ES down to close to VWAP, about 7,600. Shorts might be coming into play here for a little bit. The 5 minute is shaping up to be really ugly. Bless you, babe.
Thank you. Pause yourself real quick.
All right, we're back down to the daily lows. I mean, the daily open. Sorry about that. Daily open. Smooth move to the downside here with no pullbacks. Five minute not looking too great right now. 30 minutes still holding up, but it is closing in about a minute 50 seconds, and if it ends up trending lower, it could change the structure on the 30 minute. Bell, no, these are real. These are real. My real accounts. I'm down three trades, 10 accounts. So it's about like 700 per account. That last one ripped me to shreds because of the slippage. I had my trade open during the news. I forgot all about the news, so I got wrecked on that one. We'll make it up though. We'll make it up. I'm not in a rush to make it up right now. Just trading my eval for now. I'm just trading my eval for now, just to kind of not be like in a rush to make this back. If we don't make it back right now, it's cool. We need to make it back eventually, not immediately. Okay, longs are looking pretty good. Buyers are pushing. Buyers are pushing here. Let's see how much they can push. $587, huh? Yeah, losing 3 trades back to back is not the best. And they all went in my direction too. That's the worst part. All 3 of them went in my direction. The first 2 I got stopped out by very, very small margins. And then on the last one, I got wicked out with the news. And then it ended up going in my direction too. But that was my fault completely because I shouldn't have been open during the news. We might catch a nice 20 pointer here on this bounce, but not sure yet. Yeah, we got that one. All right, we're only down 300 bucks here on the eval. Caught a nice little bounce here for 20 points. Back up to the overnight high. Only down 300 on the eval now. We'll probably get this in the green if we continue taking smart trades. ES bypassed the VWAP here. Looks like it wants to continue going higher, possibly. Simulated trading? No, I'm trading my, well, you can call it simulated trading. I'm trading an eval that I bought yesterday. Yeah, this looks like it may want to continue going higher. We'll see. We missed that 600 level earlier. Oof, what was that? Did you guys see that? What just happened here in the ES? What the heck? Did you guys see that? What was that? A flash crash of the ages. Did you guys see that? Dude, this thing just ripped down to 7,063. It just dropped 600 points. Did you guys see that? Yo, the ES is that, did that happen on the did that happen on the, what's the name too? On the SPX? No, only the futures got that. Whoa, what was that? Holy stop losses, Batman. Everyone got wrecked on that one. And it came right back up. No, that's that high frequency trading stuff, man. Huh? Not me? Oh. Whoa. Did that happen on the MES also? Or just the ES? Holy smokes. What is this? A glitch? What in the world? Not on your broker, Joni? It only shows on TradingView, not on MEXC futures. TradingView glitch. Did people get stopped out for that? My Lord, what was that? Not on Ninja? I guess it must have been a TradingView error then. Oof. Yeah, maybe not on MES either, right? Let's check the MES. No, not on the MES either. Just on the ES. Okay. This is going to throw off the indicator, I guess. I don't know. This is going to throw off the indicator big time. They shouldn't get stopped out. They're trying to scam me, Danny. Yeah, that was crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy here. Yeah, this price action is kind of crazy here on the NQ. Yeah, there's a crazy glitch going on here on the ES. Crazy glitch. These candles don't make any sense. Crazy glitch. Babe, go along with one.
Change it from one and off, and then the one is one.
Put your stop at 554.
What?
Put your stop at 554.
Put your stop at 552.
And put your take profit at 697.
697 take profit.
Mm-hmm. What's up, Aiden Trades? And Richard, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Longs here are starting to look really good, guys. In the next 40 seconds or so, the 5 minutes going to confirm a trap short indication. And we are in a bullish trend, so more than likely it will try to hit that 700 mark.
Don't forget to get a bonus, baby.
At what time?
I think at 1. You have to be there at 1:30.
Okay.
Bonus is about 30 something.
Funds are selling stocks, says Con. Cumulative volume delta looking negative on a lot of chip stocks, says Danny. How's the trading going today? Yeah, I got a little wrecked this morning. Unfortunate circumstances. 3 trades that all ended up going in my direction. I got stopped out on all 3. So yeah, unfortunate for me. Bad timing, bad risk management. Had my stops too close. Let's see if markets can keep pushing here to make a new high. Make a higher high, possibly. $15 looking pretty good. All right, we are positive now on our eval. Positive on our eval, which is good. I have a feeling the sneaky little market here may want to try to hit 700, taking out previous day's highs. What's up, Luna? Sorry, Luna. Let me get you. Let me get you. What's up, girl? Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, my emotional support creature. Patrick says I blew one funded today, like in 2 minutes. I was so shocked. Instant 70 points in my face. Caught that long, Joey? Nice, man. Nice, nice. Good job. Yeah, I think the Bulls may have taken control of this market again here. Okay, Luna? Yeah, it looks like they want to take out these 620s, 647, 650 is that recent high, 649. Looks like they may want to be pushing for that here, 646. We did have a trap short indication down here when we reached this level of the daily open. You re-answered on the long, good job. BTC is getting wrecked. Holy smokes, I didn't even realize it. Where is it at now? 67,000. Yikes, man. There is no bottom on BTC right now. Everything's leaving the crypto market and going into the chip sector. Holy smoke, is this? You got a hold and hope trade yesterday, Kelly or Kellis? Oof. But we shall see. Yeah, let's see what happens. Looks like they still want to push. I don't know if something's going to happen here, but the 1 minute MOAS signals are all signaling to the 770s and almost 800. I don't know if something's going to happen here to cause this quick move up to these high levels or something. I don't know if there's going to be some kind of an event here, some kind of a news drop, some kind of a tweet that's going to rally this close to 800. Looks like the ES is also pushing up for some of that 76.35 levels maybe. I don't know what's going on here. But it looks like the market's asking for more upside. Constellation short. BTC is dropping, is bullish. Yeah, bullish for what market, right? This is the current trade that I'm holding. Let's see if this works out. Yeah, Bulls definitely stepped in here after we hit that daily open. I don't know if they're going to be able to hold it up anymore. They sure started a pretty nice rally from here. Let's see if they can keep going. Got to break these 620s. If they can break the 620s, then 650 should be the next target. Yeah, this move here was insane though. Holy smokes, that was bad. This is definitely going to throw off our... Is that on every time frame? Yeah, it's on every time frame. Order flows bearish, says Khan. Trump tweet coming soon, says Sieber. We may retest up there, then drop down if we don't get huge buyers. Yeah, that could be it. Watch market sell off and then actual piece is reached, not a fake headline. Yeah. Agreed, 640, 650 is a border patrol, says Sambi. Bulls getting sold off on NQ. First day back, made 600 on my 50K eval, locking out, says Joey. Nice, Joey. Congrats, brother. Yeah, buyers stepping back in here. A little bit of vengeance. Let's see if they can break the 620s. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Can they go? How low can they go? ATR now is under 20. We got a 19 on the ATR. Something's brewing here. Something's definitely brewing. Buyers are not giving up. Yes, up against some resistance here. We did have some targets at 76.20. Could the market have a pullback here, possibly? Yeah, market just did hit a couple of crucial levels here around 76.20 on the ES. But the NQ still likes it. NQ still likes more upside. right, we broke 620. The rocket was Blue Origin, the rocket time. You're long for a break of the 700s minimum? Yeah, I think so too. Rubio taking over for Trump this morning. The market doesn't care anything he says. Iran deal could happen today, tomorrow, next week. Keep dreaming. Your wish is not coming true, says Paul. This is a breakout, I think. 700 easy now, says Abel. Trust your edge. Yeah, definitely trust your edge, guys. They're not going to make it easy, guys. They're definitely not. All right, nice candle here. Real nice candle. Let's see if they can follow through. Let's see if this will follow through. Maybe this will turn green on us instead of being red on the delta. Maybe a power long here. Hopefully a power long. Price action looks pretty good. Wow, this thing might get a power long here. Can we go push a little more? Close this green. All right, get up. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yeah, slow, but she's moving. Smooth loves to edge us. We are edging. My edge is long everything. This market's easy, says Sieber. Smooth is edge maxing. Yeah, edge maxing. Yeah. Just waiting here for a market to decide whether she wants to take out 700. We're getting a little toppy here on the ES, unfortunately. I don't like the way the ES is having a hard time here with this level. We did take out some major levels here at these 7620s. And right now she could be coming in for a pullback. Yeah, I really hope this next candle does not close red. If it does, it could be pretty bearish here. But I wanted to close with another green candle, giving us another power long signal. Maybe we can shoot for the daily highs, 650. We'll see. Bears have not given up. I mean, the bulls have not given up. Bears are still in it too. Yeah, there's definitely sellers here, that I know. All right, I guess that push here to 650 maybe. Making higher highs now, guys. Continuing the higher highs. Do I ever put sunscreen on my head? All the time. Khan says the flow is bearish. I'm bold maxing. Yes, I am. What happened to the S&P? I have no idea, man. Something crazy happened on TradingView. We clashing with Border Patrol and ICE agents at 640, 650. Looks that way. 660 is a major level too, guys. 660 is a level that I was looking at since earlier. It's a big level on the 15-second. That we left behind earlier. 700 is an even more important level. And we even have those 800s up there. We even have some 800s. But 700 is where I think I'd be more than happy. Yeah, some big news is going to come out, guys. They're going to give us a ripper of a candle to the upside more than likely. I think that's the only way she's going to reach those 800s. Not slowly, but with a ripper move. Here it comes, says Sam B, the border clash. It needs to break 647, says Abel. I just don't get any good trades no more for the last month, man. Damn, Patrick, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. Could be worse. You could be right on the trade and get stopped out. Trump says peace deal finalized. Is that so? The news could give us a ripper down as well. That's true, too. Daily high kisses, Sam B. Yeah, we're about to get that right now at the 647 level. Nice, nice. Squeeze is coming, possibly. Having a hard time here breaking the daily high. Getting a pullback from 647. All right, she broke it. Still didn't break the high miss by one tick. It did now. It did now. Watch this move to 700 possibly here, guys. Guys, let's see if we can get some likes on the stream. How many do we have? We have, how many likes? We have 38 likes, guys. Can we hit 50 likes by 11:30? No, actually by 11:15. Can we hit 50 likes by 11:15? You guys got 15 minutes here. And I'll stay to 12. I'll stay to 12. Actually, yeah, I have to be there at 1:30, right? I gotta leave here by 1. I'm sorry, by 12:30. I think 12:30, 12:40. I want to need something before I go. Sam B says the diamonds don't lie. Just need to understand how the STC instruments work. Yeah, if you guys are wondering how the indicator works, Sam B uses a real simple strategy. He looks for the high volume candles, these diamond candles. He looks for trap shorts or trap longs, like for instance here, he got trap short indication. Then we got a high volume diamond after that. So Sam B would have gotten long here, and then that move here, so far would have paid him handsomely. Really nice, real nice move to the upside. You guys want to get the indicator? Check out the link that's pinned in the chat, and you guys can get a 7-day trial for $7. After that, if you want to keep using it, it's very cheap, less than $2 a day if you want to continue using it. Also, guys, I did update the prop firm matrix. If you guys want to check out the prop firm matrix, we now have Tradeday with Tradeday's new accounts with all the rules. 50% off Tradeday right now if you guys want to check them out. They've got quick pay and they've got the fast pass. Right now I am trading the 50K fast pass, and I like it so far. Real nice. If you guys want to check this out, I have it pinned in the chat or in my bio on TikTok, and you can see which prop firms here are the best. You can put them side by side and see which ones are the best. Yeah, we also now rank them. We rank them also now by drawdown to profit ratio and drawdown to cost ratio. So you got a good ranking here. Okay, getting a nice pullback. Can't say it wasn't expected here, but nice pullback. At 650, just skimmed that daily high. Should I go? Okay. You or me? Oh, okay. Okay. You want to get my what? All right, let me silence this. Hold on 1 second, guys. I got you. All right, babe.
Or should I not? Cause
You gonna have what?
I'm gonna have it right here. Should I not? Because you're right here.
Just take it to her. Take it to her. Khan still holding this short. Sam B. Wow, ES is getting strong here all over again. NQ and not too far behind. I think it could be a little bit more of a pullback, maybe to 600. Wow, the strength in this market. She's not giving up. ES is ripping. NQ is not too far behind. ES wants that 76.35. NQ looks like it wants 707. 685 on the 15 second. She's not giving up. 680s coming in next. They go to 680s. Possibly coming up soon. We got 656 on the high right now. She's still pushing. Look at the size of this green wave. I wouldn't be shorting right now. This is still very strong. That's why we're going to hold the 700. Crazy. My target 700 a bell. It could even go higher than that. And I think we're going to get some news that's going to make this explode to the 800s. It's very likely. NQ likes a bit of spoon love. Yeah, for sure. It comes at 660 liquidity grabs this MB. Yeah. ES won't stop. ES is just keep going. Yeah, 660 I think is going to be a little bit of a tough level, but I think some news is going to hit and it's just going to rip. It just looks crazy right now. Yeah, this looks really insane. Got up to as high as 657 at the moment. Because news could rip, you place the profits at 800. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. I'll manually take it off at 700 if we get up there too. Yeah, because our 1 minute says that we can get as high as 775, 796. So yeah, there could be some news-driven event. It might look. We're getting another one now, up to right now 768. Let's see where this candle closes. If it closes a bit higher. Yeah, there could definitely be a news-driven event. You want to get down? You want to get down? Go. You okay? All right. Sorry, guys. Luna did not want to offer me any more emotional support. She said her job here is done. Yeah, careful with 660. Would I add to shorts or just wait? Who are you talking to? I'm not in any shorts unless you're talking to someone else. Definitely want to add to my shorts up here, says T Massive. I don't like shorts when the green momentum wave is expanding, not contracting. So right now I don't feel like it'd be a right time for me to even think about a short just yet. You good? Thank God. Yeah, it looks like trading view is on the fritz today. What's up with these candles? Trading view is all. I mean, these aren't real. Because they didn't show up on trading view. Well, at least they didn't show up on the M and Q. I don't know what's going on here. Did you guys see that? Do you guys see this thing? I don't know if this was real. Was it real this time? Or was that also fake? We're at 400 on our eval right now. We took that long there, and yeah, I didn't get stopped out. This didn't happen on the M and Q. 692 is all-time high. Send it, says Justin Mancada. Yeah, send it. We were waiting for you at 700, NQ. No Tradeday, nothing happened. And then what was this? Is this like trading view on the fritz? Yeah, that didn't happen on TradingView. I mean, on Tradeday at all. That did not happen. Very weird. Yeah. Traded smaller size since I took a payout last night, up 400 on the day. Not a position unless I get a pullback to get long, says J Ray. Nice, nice. 400 contracts just open long up here. Could get trapped. And let's see if they break the all-time high here. Previous day is at 694. I don't know if we're going to get some kind of news catalyst here to move the markets to the upside, but market doesn't really need much. Any little tidbit of news nowadays is making these markets rip. What's up, James? We're doing all right, man. Markets are still grinding here. Most firms probably use level 1 data. If you have a higher premium type of trading view, they give you better data. Those two big wicks are accurate. Are they really? My P&L? My P&L is on the other screen. I think I'm off the screen. I'm on my connections. Yeah. My P&L hasn't changed much, bud. It hasn't changed much. Has not changed much. No miracle here. Trade one. I learned that if I'm down, instead of trying to make the money back, I should actually decrease my size. So that's what I did. I decreased my size. And if we make some of it back, great. If we don't, then it's okay. What's going on? Yeah, on Tradeday, is nothing happening like this, is Big Tommy? Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's up, Big Tommy. They crazy up in here, Big Tommy. Yeah, I traded Fundeds and my live accounts this morning. Fundeds, live accounts. The only thing, right now I'm up 400 on my eval that was down 900 earlier. It's up 400 now. So that one's healthy. Looking for a move here to 700 somehow, some way. I'm not sure if we'll get it, but last 3 hour candles, big bottom wicks, but higher closes. This is clearly bullish right now, hammer. Yeah, the Heikin-Ashi candles look ridiculously strong on a 30-minute. Ridiculously strong. Does not look like it wants to pull back. 15 seconds looking pretty good right now too. Looks like they could have a curve to the upside here soon. Can't stop this market, says Sieber. Can't stop, won't stop. That's fine. You can take it. It's clean.
Okay, quick question. Should I take Kayla with me to Costco and pick up Catalina?
When are you gonna go? You gonna come back for her?
She ends at 12. But I wanted to go straight there because it's down by the Frank, like the north. And then should I take it with me?
To pick up Catalina because you're going to
Or go straight to Costco?
with both of them.
Yeah.
It's up to you if you want to put up with the arguing, because you know they're probably gonna argue. Okay, it's up to you, baby. Not a terrible idea of not a terrible way to save some time. We're 10 points away from a new high. I think we'll get it, says Abel. No. It was in your car yesterday. I think you left it in your car yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, Bitcoin is dumping hard. Bitcoin is selling off to another degree. Man, look at this on the 4 hour. This thing is just no bottom in sight. We might come in on Bitcoin and make another low. We might break. Are we going to break 60K? We have a target right now on the 4 hour down to 64. Are we going to break 60K? A lot of people are calling 60K the bottom. Is 60K actually going to be the bottom on Bitcoin? I don't know. Crude oil right now kind of staying stable above VWAP. Who's hot today? Nvidia is up a little bit. Apple's up pretty nicely. Tesla's making a rebound. So is Meta. Microsoft's down and Google's down. Avgo's still up big. Avgo's been on fire. Mag 7s are still looking pretty decent. I think all that crypto money is coming into the markets. I think that's what's happening. Nvidia had a big pullback, but really didn't affect the market too much. If we make a rebound here on Nvidia, we could really start seeing new all-time highs. She did hit that target perfectly though at the 230 level. Now she's kind of like coming back down to settle down. Oh, this is not looking good. On the 1 minute here, this is not looking too hot. If you add more bass on his voice, then Q will go higher. Really? Could this be a bull trap here, says S-Dub? Anything's possible. This combination here doesn't look too good, though. This doesn't look too good. I don't have much invested. However, I do own 1 ETH. Any advice on how to make more money other than staking? Just the only way to make money with 1 ETH, you could take a little bit out of it. I mean, I'm not sure if you can sell fractional. I don't think you can. But if you only have 1 ETH, I would just forget it, leave it alone. Start saving some money for investing. Put aside some money, and I see dollar cost average into the market. Day trading is very dangerous. You'll lose money. You'll lose money instead of make money in the beginning. So what I would say is do nothing but paper trade for at least a year, man. You don't want to take any of your own money and put it into the markets day trading. Dollar cost averaging is the best way to make sure that you are profitable over time, and not just dollar cost averaging into meme coins or to penny stocks, but into the big boys, big girls, like the Max 7s, or even just the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ itself. 400 contracts long is Wanna trap, says Con. NQ struggling to go higher or stalling every 20 points. Hopefully cleaner grind after 700. Yeah, after 700, she might just shoot up like a rocket. Short to 630 says Levolution. Light stop. Yeah. Yeah, we are hitting this level of resistance here on the ES at 67.32. I still think she wants this other level here at 76.35 though, and that would put the NQ and the ES firmly at where they looks like they want to be. We'll see. How's our Autobot doing today? Yeah, Autobot's doing good today, up $180, trading better than me. And she has a $400 open P&L right now. Wow, that's crazy. Yo, I'm about to just leave my Autobot trading and stop trading altogether. Yeah, the Autobot is trading crazy. Took 2 trades today, made $243, and took 1 loss for $58. Total P&L 178 right now, and has an open position right now with $373 up in profits, and the target on it is 703 and another target at 726. So she's looking pretty juicy right now. These trades are taken automatically with the Autobot, looking crazy. Damn, Autobot, good job. Both indices are a few points from new highs, but stalling. Yeah. Autobot knows. Yeah. No, you can't trade props with bots. No, never. That was never my idea. You could trade your own money with it, though. And that's exactly what I plan on doing. Wow. The strength is crazy right now. We're gonna make a new all-time high here soon. Looks like they want to push. How did you make your trading algo? I used my indicator as a base, and then I ran back tests with Claude until I found something that made sense, and it's been working pretty good. I've been working on it for months, though. It's not something you can just wake up one day and be like, okay, I'm gonna do this. A lot of trial and error, a lot of back testing. Yeah, my baby. And if this thing works, man, it's gonna be such a relief for me. It's kind of like having a stream of income to kind of offset like any of your bills, your expenses. That way you could trade with no pressure, you know, because trading is, you know, sometimes we trade and we're like, yeah, you know, with this payout, I can pay for this, or I can, you know, take my family on vacation. And now you could just trade because you see a good setup instead of having the pressure of like, yeah, I have to make money today. Like if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It's whatever. Yeah, the Autobot's been doing good. All week it's been trading like a beast. Well, 2 days. Last 2 days. Yeah, if we look at the last 2 days performance, let's look at the last 2 days this week. This week's performance has been stellar. 1486 profits, 376 losses. So net $1,083. And this is trading one micro, guys. This is trading one micro. This is the insane part of it. We're trading one micro. 8 winners and 5 losses. Pretty good, man. This is spectacular stats. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Hopefully it keeps up the good job. If it does this straight for like 30 days, I'm definitely gonna go and put real capital behind it. It's moving really well now. I need to sell that bot? Nah, I sell the indicator. You guys can do the other part. I'll teach you guys how to do your own bot, but I can't sell you my bot because then I lose my edge. It's like if you had an infinite glitch money machine, would you tell everybody about it? I like, if anything, you guys can replicate my stats by creating your own version of it. But I'm telling you, it's not easy. It's not easy. You have to come up with something that's replicatable, leverageable, and has good risk to reward. And once you do, I'll teach you guys how to create your own. But I don't think I would ever sell my. Just think about it, because a lot of people who do sell bots, the bots are worthless. Because why would you give up an edge, right? I don't think I would sell something that's printing money, and I'm not saying it's going to, but it has been trading phenomenally well. I know the markets could change. Right now, it's set on a very bull bias, right now. Markets could change, and if the bias changes, then I would have to adapt my auto trader as well. Auto bot, not auto trader. Yeah, I think everybody would love to learn how to create the bot, but you need the indicator because that's really where the basis of it comes from. What are the bulls doing? They're losing this level. They're trying. Yeah, I never thought I'd be able to create my own trading bot, but man, AI is something else, man. AI is unreal. Yeah, but we got Bitcoin's just falling, just dumping hard here. She is going for a record low. Yeah, NQ looking real strong here. NQ looking pretty strong. ES hasn't really shown any strength yet. I think the NQ could still make a push down to like around 645 before bouncing. We could get a move down to 645 on the NQ. Yeah, I took a pretty large sample size in my back testing. But markets are never always the same. So that's why you always have to, when you see the edge slipping away, you gotta see what's changing in the market. Oh no, I didn't code it. I told Claude what I needed, and Claude coded it. And he doesn't. Look, Claude doesn't code you a perfect anything right away. Claude does not give you the perfect finished product. Claude is very dumb in a lot of ways. He makes a lot of dumb errors, like basic errors. He'll Claude you like the Mona Lisa, or like, you know, something incredible. It'll code you something out of this world, but it'll make the dumbest mistakes. Like it'll make the smallest little like insignificant mistakes that are like a human being wouldn't make, but it doesn't know. And sometimes it just doesn't realize it makes these little dumb mistakes. But yeah, man, it's pretty incredible. Everybody was dunking on Ben Cowan for being bearish. I remember I told you that I was like, I thought he was bullish, and I'm like, why is he bullish? And you told me he was bearish. And I was like, oh yeah, he is still bearish. Yeah, I told you that. I don't think 60K is gonna be the low. 400 trades forward testing before the edge exists. Yeah, well, we've had more than 400 trades on the back testing. Forward testing, I don't know if we're there yet. We're getting close. You got to prompt it step by step instead of one prompt and boom. Yeah, I know it's a lot of tweaks. If I tell you, I probably have about over 100 revisions of the script. Over 100, probably over, close to maybe 200 revisions of my script. And it's finally at a point where I feel comfortable with it. We're getting 700 now, says Abel. Yeah, it looks that way. Yeah, it looks like we might get 700 now. She looks all right. So looks Irie. She looks Irie. I'm waiting to get some crazy news that's going to rip this to 800 and just blow through 700. I don't know. I don't know. I created one for Bitcoin too, and it's pretty spot on, but I haven't put it to trade yet because it's a whole different system. I created one for Bitcoin, and it's a different strategy. As these blue and pink lines here are these are the trays that it has formulated. But I haven't forward tested that one yet. Not even one trade yet. But the back testing on it is pretty good. There's your news. White House, Trump signs executive order promoting advanced AI innovation and security. Yeah, maybe that'll pump this market here because Nvidia took a little dumper. Let's see if Nvidia can maybe rip on this news. Let's keep an eye here on Nvidia. Let's see what she does right now. That just came out, Con? I would expect her to move a little quicker than that. Boom, 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 maybe. But she is looking bullish, though. Nvidia is looking bullish. She's pushing hard right now. Oh, wow. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. She's starting to bullish. Starting to get that bullish move. Are the Mag 7s doing the same thing? Mag 7s are a little quiet right now, but Nvidia's getting the brunt of that move. Mag 7s are kind of just looking a little heavy, to be honest with you. Nvidia is pushing now. 226 right now on Nvidia. Are we going to break these 680s now? Cardano just made new lows? Yikes. Yikes. Cardano's been a dead project this cycle. Very dead market. Very dead coin. A lot of people still holding their Cardano from like 2 cycles ago. It had potential. It had a lot of potential. It had a great community, but man, what had happened? Charles let everybody down. The whole Africa thing never panned out. Africa. We're likely to have shorts at 700 and then short squeeze spike, hopefully. Yeah. Yeah. What's a... Oh, Nvidia is going. Nvidia looks like she wants to break right now the daily open, and then maybe test the VWAP at 228. She's going. News coming out right on time for the charts to take their levels. Let's see if she can go. Getting a nasty little pullback. All right, we closed this last 5-minute candle just now very bullish. Let's see if it's going to continue to grind up to 700. Yeah, for real, says Kool-Aid with laxatives. That's a cool name, Kool-Aid with laxatives. You were holding a lot of ADA, and Charles let you down. You took the L? Damn, that sucks, Con. All right, retrace to 665, 660 area, then back up. Could be a bit of a retracement. I think we could retrace down to 645, to be honest with you, before going up. 645 is possible. It would make a quick swipe of these lows here. Maybe, maybe not. Uh-oh, she's looking kind of bullish right now. ATR right now is 13. She's come down quite a bit. She gonna keep her bullish structure here? She gonna make that run for 700? Or do we have a pullback coming in? Everybody would like to know. Looking kind of heavy. She's up, she's down, she's up, she's down. Which one will it be, NQ? Which one will it be? Up or down? Here goes the little push on NQ. Can she hold it? Can she hold the momentum up to 700? Can she do it? Can she do it? Or is she going to dump down to 645? There's a good chance here she can push higher. Or does she get the dumper first? She's getting the dumper first. Where is she? Yeah, buyers are battling here. Nice pullback, 660s. Could be rolling over a little bit. ES not looking good, says Abel. Bullish to 715, says Gordo. A little bit sus here, says Sieber. Will this trade break even for the day for me? No, but it'll offset some losses. I'm not even thinking about breaking even. I had a mishap on my last trade because I was in on the trade during news and I got slipped the hell on it. But it's all good. It's all good. We live to fight another day. Nasty pullback here on the NQ. 680s were a big level as well on the 15-second. This move here looks like it wants to 700 now. Can she push? Can she push? Can she push? Possibly a good move to the upside here. They're holding the 670s for now. 700 seems to be a bit of a tough one here, but they're holding it. Could be getting a trap long here on the 1 minute. See if that plays out or if we end up getting a power long. Strong pullback. Yeah. We had a trap long and now it's a power long. I mean trap long, not to power long. You can see that they're battling over these levels. Yeah. Tori bought the bottom. I'm sure she did. The way she trades, she always buys the bottom. Getting to be that time of day, guys, that 12 o'clock hour could be a little tough here. May end up getting a pullback before hitting 700. Pretty significant pullback. We'll see. That's pretty significant. Maybe we could hit like I said earlier, maybe we hit 650 before we're moving up. Or maybe even 618, who knows? Who knows, who knows? Very choppy here. Abel wants to know why Tori's a meme in this group. Maybe Joey can answer that for you. I don't know. Nice push, nice push. Got that move down to 660. Got 700 coming in possibly here soon. The issue with looking out for news is that the market will react faster than I can read the news or any. That's why I always say the market will predict the news. Something's off between my and your chart. It's just safe. My 11:30 a.m. candle shows TL and yours doesn't. What did I do wrong? 11:30. On what, on DNQ? Well, make sure that you have, I have on 15 second, I have at the beginning of the session, and I have long range, look back. Other than that, everything else should be the same. Can we hit 700 on this move here? Come on, 700. Come on, 700. In Q, you're gonna break 700 now? You going to 700 in Q? Can you break 700? Can you do it? Is Nvidia gonna jack you up? Oh no, Nvidia's going down. Then what's pushing this market? It's pretty spooky stuff. What's pushing the NQ? You're gonna break this wall at 690? It's having a hard time. Tough market here. Are we ever gonna hit 700? Very psychological. People taking profits there. Yes, double topped. BTC is down 6%. Yeah. Let's see how she reacts when she hits 700. Let's see how she reacts. The all-time high coming in soon. Don't want to short all-time highs. I think people have learned that by now. All right, she new all-time high, guys. New all-time high. Real nice move there. Beautiful. $700 could be a psychology. So could be psychology, but we are already go close yesterday. $697 got a nasty pullback. A nasty one. The market might still want that 700 level. 5 minute looks like it wants to get it. It's a big level here. This 5 minute has had a target for it for the majority of the day. Let's see. Our Autobot has the first TP at 703. Let's see if we can get it. We're getting closer to 700. We're getting close. ES has some catching up to do here. NQ is rocket fuel. ES is still trying to play catch up. Are we going to get an overshoot at 700? Are we going to trigger a cascade of stop losses? All right, ES is getting a little stronger, possibly. Are they going to push this NQ up above 700 on this move? Got some bulls coming in. Are they going to do it? Are they going to do it? Can they do it? Not looking too hot right now for the bulls. Pullback might be coming in here. Yeah, looks like it is. Are they going to keep their trend of higher highs? Getting real tight up here. She's trying to confirm that trap long there, but it's not a good looking candle for shorts yet. Buyers still look good. Buyers still look pumpy up here. I don't know if they're going to hold it. This 12 o'clock candle sending us a little bit lower. Are they going to recover? Pull back, pull back. Bit of weakness showing up on the charts here now. Just missed our 707 target there by just a hair. ES is looking pretty heavy. I don't know what's fueling the NQ, but she's been ripping. We just made new all-time highs up there. Is now the time to short this thing? You'll get a little bit of a sell-off. A little bit. Getting some nasty combinations on the 15-second. Come see that 700 level now. It's possible. Oof, good push, good push. Now they're gonna go to 700. Oh wow, what a rally, what a rally. Keep going, NQ, keep going. Wow, she's going. She's going. Are you gonna hit 707 on this move, NQ? Go, NQ, right on time, baby. Keep going, NQ. Just missed 707, NQ. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, NQ. Keep pushing. I think our Autobot took one off. Just missed one. Just missed one. Come on, NQ. Don't do it. Still got a little more to go, NQ. Still got a little more to go. A little more, NQ. A little more. Wow, wow, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep it going, NQ. Keep pushing, NQ, keep going, girl. Keep going. Maybe she'll get the 800 now. Oof. You're gonna break through this thing like it's not even there? You're gonna break 700 like it's not even existent? Keep going. Keep going. Yes, keep going. Keep pushing. Keep pushing, NQ. Keep going, baby. I'm watching the 15-second for any signs of weakness up here. If I do see weakness, I'll just close it out manually. All right, taking that one. All right, we're up almost 900 on that eval. From being down 900 to being up almost 900. That's pretty intense. That's pretty intense, Rooney. Pretty intense, Rooney. Yeah, the auto trader took that one off probably. Yeah, the auto trader took that one off. Today she's up 500 bucks. She still has another target up there. Today's performance now is stellar, up 493. 3 winners, 1 loss. That's crazy. She has another target at 726. Will she go for it? That is the questione. What are we doing here in Q? We're going to stall that at 700. Not liking the way the NQ is looking right now. She's not looking the hottest. I'm gonna take it. I gotta go anyway. I gotta go. So we're only down 500 per account now. If I don't see another good trade today, I won't take them. But amazing trades, guys. Slam it, says Khan. Yeah, slam. Thanks, Joey. Went from down 1500 up 3K just now. Nice nostalgia. Long again after lunch. Great job, guys. Great job. All right. Should have been more patient today. Waited for the higher probability setup that I just took for about 200 points. I think it was. How many points did I? Was it 100? It was like 100. It was $200. I think. I mean, let's see. From this, the 5 minute gave me this right here at 597. Yeah, we took it up to 700. So it's about a 100-point trade. It took forever, but yeah, whatever. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes that happens. Yeah, this isn't about to rip again. It's going back up for more. I think she wants more. Who knows? All right, guys. I'll say a quick prayer because I do got to get going. I got to go to the doctor's today. Can you guys give us a like before we go? Yeah, real quick, guys, if you want to try out the indicator for yourselves, indicator's a massive advantage. You know, sometimes, you know, there's other circumstances that get in your way to maybe hurt you in a trade, but we definitely were not wrong today on any of the directional trades we took. The two shorts I took in the morning, they got stopped out at twice with too tight of stop loss. That's my fault. And then the long that I took, it had a killer wick and still went in my direction to the upside. 3 unfortunate circumstances, but I will say at least I was right on the direction of those 3 trades. Can't win them all, so tomorrow will be another day. We made up a little bit here on this trade. And if you guys want to try out the indicator for yourselves, you can go ahead and use the link that's pinned in the chat. It's only $7 for a 7-day trial. Go ahead and try it out, guys. It is unbelievable. It gives you some great setups and great directions on the market. If you guys want to try out Tradeday, which is one of the that's the eval I'm trading today, one of the accounts I'm trading today, they have a 50% off sale right now. I just did a video on them. If you guys want to check out the video, I just dropped it yesterday. Tradeday 2.0 video. Check it out on our channel. It shows you all the ins and outs of what Tradeday 2.0 has to offer. So go ahead and check out that video on our YouTube channel. Yeah, and then go hop over to our prop firm matrix and see how the new Tradeday compares to the others like Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex. If you guys want to hold your trades overnight, your NQ trades overnight, or any trade overnight, you can try it over on BTCC. This is the exchange I use to trade crypto. Right now, crypto is dumping hard, so it'll be a good time now to look for some shorts or possible bounces, you know, sometime soon. So BTCC is the one I use. If you go over there, they'll give you $30 just for doing a KYC, and they'll give you 10% on your initial deposit. So if you deposit $500, they'll give you $50 a trade. If you deposit 1,000, they'll give you 100. And then as you trade, your volume also rewards you anywhere between 50 USDT all the way up to a $30,000 Rolex. So this is pretty exciting stuff. So try out the link for BTCC, guys. That's the exchange I'm using, and I really like them a whole bunch. And yeah, I think you guys will too. Because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. This is in line with TikTok section under. What are you talking about, TikTok? Who's? I'm using unoriginal content. What are you even smoking? Yeah, they're crazy. I don't know what's up with them. I don't know what's wrong with you, TikTok. Yeah, don't recommend me then, TikTok. Whatever you got. All right, guys. I'll say a prayer for you, and we'll get out of here. Father God, we thank you for this day, Lord. We thank you always for the opportunities you've given us. We thank you, Father, for the ups and the downs, the lessons we learn along the way, Father. We thank you for it all. Lord, I know today may not be the perfect outcome for me when it comes to my business, Lord, but knowing that you are there, Father, and there's always another day, Father, to recuperate, that's all that matters, Father. We lean on you, Lord, on our good days and also on our bad days, Father. We thank you for all, and we thank you for the good and the bad, like I said. But, Father, I know that even though times may seem kind of rough, there's always somebody who has a more difficult situation going on, Father. So I pray for every individual in this community, Father, who is going through a difficult time right now, Father, whether that's with their finances, with their health, or their minds, Father. I pray for anyone here who is thinking very negatively on themselves and others, Father. I pray that they see you, Father, and they get a new lease on life, Lord, and with a positive outlook always, Father, knowing that you're always there for them. Lord, I pray that you keep us safe until we meet again. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. All right, guys, take care. We hit our target, 700. I can go now to see my doctor. Hopefully my shoulder's going to be all right. And I'll see you guys all. Yeah, Raphael, you told me 700, dude. I didn't want to listen. I kept telling you, no, it's going to go down. And Raphael was right. Raphael said 700. And I said, no, it's going to go down 1,000 points. So good call on that, Raphael. Good call. All right, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. God bless.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move. Or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy. That's gambling. So with this smooth trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.